Reure earplugs to reduce negative 20 dB decibel levels for concerts, work, wherever you need to lower down the noise. Opening up the pack, you get 4 earplugs. They're reusable. They come in a carrying case that you could take along with you when need to wear them. It's a 4-piece set, 2 pair, one in a clear case, one in a cylinder with a ring and a hook loop fastener that you simply just slide over, lock into place, and you could simply open up, remove the earpieces, and have 2 sets inside if like. Each piece fits an ear, left or right, by simply plugging in, by pushing in. This is the earpiece. It's got a little tab so you can hold on to it, slide it in your ear, press in. They're very easy to put in, and they're very easy to take out. The earpiece has a blue cylinder that can come out, easily to clean and place back on. On the go, in the car, a concert, you have 2 sets of earplugs that you can simply open up the hard shell case, pull out, and place both units into the carrying case. And when ready to use at your location, you have 2 sets of earplugs in the unit. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you. High fidelity earplugs for your needs.